Yo, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Well, I guess this is my daily vlog for the 700 to 10K journey. So far, I was up 930, I think, 930, and I went down to to this 863. I made some bad trades, and some of them I got out too early. I should have waited. The thing about I need to learn to be more patient with my trades, and I need to stick to it because I had my trade right here. I think I bought it at 81, and I had my stop loss at like 83, 84. But since I saw Bitcoin going going up, I thought it would go up to like 64 or at least to my stop loss. But it actually didn't. It stayed like around 82. I mean 62, 262. So if I stayed, I would have made like at least because my profit was at 84. So I would actually I think I probably made like 120 if I stayed in. But since I didn't, it cost me some money. And every time you put a trade in, Bitfinex charge you like $6, and it depends on the amount you have in your account. So the more you have, the more you're gonna pay. So yeah, I think that's my average right now, $6 per trade. So right now the market, it's looking like it's going back up. So let me see where, and yeah, and this one too. I did the same thing. I got out too early. Yeah, I think I lost like between 5 and 8%. So yeah, and I didn't get back in. So I'm gonna try to just stick to my trade instead of getting out. Because sometimes you gotta, yeah, not sometimes you got to stick to it, even if you lose. Sometimes you just gotta make sure you don't lose too much money. Just stick. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to stick to my trade for now, from now on. But yeah, let's look at BTC real quick. Is this BTC? No, I think that was Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, so let's go to, yeah, okay, so this is where I see it going. I see it going down here. It should at least come down here, then I think it will probably go up here, like around this level. But I do see BTC going, like I said before on my other video. There's a I'm leaning toward a 94 and, instead of just 84, 86. I'm leaning. I'm just gonna pay attention to see what happens once it hit 84 and 86. I'm just gonna see if it keeps going up. If it goes to 87, 88, most likely 94 is coming. Then after 94, most likely we'll go down to like 71, 68. So that's my targets right now. But I guess I'll keep you guys up to date daily. So I'm gonna be doing this every day, most likely. So we'll see. Let me see what else. Yeah. So that's it for my vlog. So we'll see. So I'm still up 160. So I'm just kind of mad that I lost $70. But you know, it's with trading you're gonna lose. Just make sure you don't lose all your profits. So that's why sometimes it's good to get out if the market going against you. But sometimes you gotta just stick to your trade as long as it's not too much loss. So yeah. So that's it, guys. As you guys can see. All right. Peace.